Are you grappling with the challenge of creating high-quality, engaging content consistently? Well, fear not. Welcome to the dawn of a new era in content creation with Chat GPT, your AI-powered writing assistant ready to revolutionize your content strategy from the roots up. Today, we're going to delve into the process of using Chat GPT as a secret arsenal for your blogging and website articles. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a newbie, gear up to unlock your content's full potential. Step 1. Understanding Chat GPT. Chat GPT isn't just another tool, it's a robust AI-powered collaborator. Imagine having an untiring assistant at your disposal, brainstorming and crafting articles with you. Step 2. Crafting detailed prompts. What's the secret ingredient? Detailed prompts. The more specific your prompts are, the better the output. Suppose you need an article on 10 easy vegan recipes. Don't just ask for recipes, elaborate on the cuisine, ingredients, and dietary restrictions. Step 3. Editing and personalizing. While Chat GPT is intelligent, it's your unique touch that makes the content truly sparkle. Take the AI-generated draft and infuse it with your voice, style, and your brand's essence. Step 4. Optimizing for SEO. Great content deserves a wide audience. Use Chat GPT to seamlessly integrate keywords, ensuring your articles rank high and go the distance. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to revolutionizing your content creation with Chat GPT. Embrace this AI wonder and watch as your blogs and websites captivate audiences like never before. Are you ready to pioneer the content revolution? Subscribe for more insights and embark on this transformative journey together. With Chat GPT, the future of content is here, and it's yours to command.